Hi friends, welcome to Dr. Nagendra's Homeo Clinic. Recently there has been a rise in the cases of calcium and vitamin D deficiency, and in my opinion vegetarians are more affected in this, as milk has been recently severely criticized as adulterated, and people started calling it as a white poison. So I thought of suggesting some alternatives to milk. Our body needs calcium to maintain strong bones as well as to carry on many important functions. Almost all the calcium in our body is stored in bones and the teeth. Of course, calcium is needed for strong bones, but along with that, it is also essential for muscle contraction as well as nerve impulse conduction. According to RDI, reference daily intake, our body requires minimum 1000 milligrams of calcium per day, whereas this demand may go up to 1200 milligrams over 50 years, and the demand for calcium is very high during the years of between 4 to 18 years of age. Up to 1300 milligrams may be required. Since ages, vegetarians all over the world are dependent on milk, cheese, yogurt, or daily products for their daily requirement of calcium. With the advent of vegan concept, as well as the fear of adulteration in dairy products, forced vegetarians to look for some other alternatives other than dairy products. It is suspected, and in certain instances, it has been proved that the commercial milk is adulterated with chemicals like urea, formalin, detergents, ammonium sulfate, boric acid, caustic soda, benzoic acid, salicylic acid, even hydrogen peroxide, fortified sugars, and melanin also has been found and demonstrated during the raids conducted by food inspectors. Based on the research conducted by famous dietitians all over the world, even plant based food can be rich in calcium. First among the list we can keep is soya beans, the regular beans, peas, and lentils. So far, it is known to supply proteins, fiber, rich vitamins, and minerals, but we can also find high amounts of calcium in these substances. We can keep seeds in the second grade of this list. Seeds seems to contribute 13% of RDI. Of course, they are also the good source of fat, protein, and fibers. 35 grams of dry fruits and nuts per day seems to supply 3% of RDI. So far, nuts have been feared to have a lot of calories. They also seems to supply a good amount of calcium. Amaranth has a reference daily intake of 12 to 15%. Majority of the green leaves, vegetables like turnip, broccoli, kale, figs, oranges, even black currants and blackberries seems to have a rich amount of calcium in them. Mother Nature has provided every foodstuff in a complex form. It's a balanced diet. None of the food is exclusively protein or exclusively fat or exclusively mineral. For example, soya bean seems to be rich in proteins, but it also contains carbohydrates and an amount of fat in it, and the outer covering of soya contains fiber also. So my dear vegetarians, you need not worry and exclusively depend on dairy products alone for calcium. Calcium is abundantly present in other foodstuff also. Cheer up.